Welcome to CinKen. We are more than just a manufacturer. We are a Taiwan-invested and Taiwan-managed OEM ODM partner for educational toys and magnetic products, including activity books, pop-up books, stickers, and paper crafts. With over 20 years of experience, we support our clients from concept development and prototyping to printing, packaging, and mass production. Our factory maintains strict quality control and holds Disney FAMA authorization. At CinKen, we understand that children's products require more than creativity. They must also be safe, reliable, and consistently well made. That is why we place strong emphasis on material control, print quality, structural accuracy, and quality inspection. Over the years, we have worked with publishers, distributors, retailers, and brand owners from different markets. We help turn product ideas into practical, production-ready items, from structure development and sampling to printing and final assembly. Our team is committed to careful execution, stable production support, and long-term cooperation. We believe good products for children should combine learning, creativity, safety, and joy. If you are looking for a reliable OEM ODM partner for educational or interactive projects, we would be glad to work with you. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website or contact us to learn more.